Hi there. Are you an early morning riser or do you sleep in? Do you burn the midnight oil till 2, 3 in the morning? Or do you shut the lights off and call it a day around 11? Do you fall asleep during the day? Or do you sleep like a dog? In other words, if you're tired, you sleep, and if you're awake, you're up. What category do you fall into? For the most part, I'm an early riser. I get up about 6 in the morning. And I go to bed fairly early too. I watch the news at 11. I watch Nightline at 11:30. And then it's lights out. But I've also been known to sleep like a dog. In other words, I might take a nap from 2 to 4 in the afternoon if I'm tired. Or I might get an idea for a video and I might do the video between 2 and 4 in the morning. Every situation is different. But what do? Are you an early person? Or are you a late person? And as usual, thank you for allowing me to bore you. And have a good night's sleep. Bye.